Guys, I recently saw this movie Unpaused on Amazon Prime. It is out now and even you can watch it. It is five short films put together to make one movie. So let's see. The first part of the movie is Glitch. Oh, Glitch. Glitch stars actor Gulshan Devaiya and Saomi Kher. These two actors did a great job. I mean, this movie is based on 2030, which is 10 years from now, and it shows that the coronavirus, the COVID 19, is still going on, and how they face it, and how they fall in love, and what all things changed, what all did not, and how Devaiya finally goes and expresses his love for Saumi is shown in the movie. So you can surely watch it. This one I felt was a light-hearted part. So let's go on to the next movie, which is The Apartment. The Apartment stars Richa Chadda and Sumit Vyas, and the third actor's name is Ishwak Singh. All these three actors did a great job. This is based on a just simply on an apartment. Richa Chadda is trapped in the apartment as the COVID situation is going on, and she finds out that his husband Sumit Vyas is kind of cheating on her and is trapped in the Me Too movement act. And then what decisions she makes and what all things happens, and how Ishwak Singh helps her to get out of the situation, and how he helps him stops her from suiciding, which is kind of great. So you can watch this part as well. The second part was The Apartment. Let's go on to the third one. The third is Rat a Tat. Here the two actors were all female cast. They did a great job, and I felt that this was a great movie, great short film, because how what bond they share. They were neighbors initially. How they made their bond and how they shared their feelings with each other. How initially they were uncomfortable with each other, but they eventually settled down with each other and got comfortable with each other due to the COVID situation. All the five short films are based on COVID situations. I mean, how different people got affected due to COVID is the aim of the movie Unpaused, which is great. The actress Rinku Rajguru, which we popularly known as Archie, is starring in the movie, and I guess it is a great movie. You can watch it, this part as well. So let's go on to the fourth one. The fourth one, the Vishanu, my favorite, I guess, stars Abhishek Banerjee. We popularly know him as Hatoda Tyagi from Patal Lok, Amazon Prime. Same, you can watch Patal Lok if you haven't already, which is also great. This is a story of a labor who gets trapped in unknown city with no money, and his contractor didn't pay the 20,000 which was due. So what all things he had to go through is shown, and how a TikTok video gets famous, and how he has to suffer because of it is shown in the short film, which is a great masterpiece. Abhishek has nailed this one as well. I love Abhishek, man. Abhishek is a great actor. You can watch this as well. So the last movie of the series, the five short films, is Chand Mubarak. Chand Mubarak stars none other than Ratna Patak Shah. As we all know, we have seen her from Lipstick Under My Burqa and other things, and Shardul Bhardwaj, the new actor, the new age actor. Even he played a really well role in the movie. So this is a situation where Ratna is single, I mean a bachelor from since childhood, and she had only a sibling who was a twin to her, and how she overcomes her loneliness, and how she forms a bond with this auto driver named uh, uh, I mean played by Shardul Bharadwaj, is a treat to watch. And I felt that at last when she shares her feelings with Shardul was great to see, and I felt that this was a great short film, and this was the last of the series, and which I feel brings me to the conclusion that all five short films were great. I loved them all. You can watch it on Amazon Prime. It's out now. So hit the like button if you like this. I tried it. It's one take literally. So many mistakes in this video. So you can share this if you loved it, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much. And I'll come up with more reviews, and I'll make mistakes, and I'll continue making mistakes. Thank you so much.